governor of Rivers State. I hope you know that. I'm the governor of what? Rivers State. Today, the truth must be told. I must all hear that. Because part of the problem we have in this country, nobody wants to hear the truth. But you must hear it. You must hear it. No man would threaten me. I must tell ourselves the truth. I've told my brothers, the governors. I've told my boss, my leader, the president of Igbo. And I've spoken to all of them. The former Minister of Women Affairs, my fellow bencher. What is the problem? Do we have problem? Do you have problem with the state government? If any of you have any problem, stand, rise now and say you have a problem with state government. But I will never allow criminals to operate in my state. I will not allow criminals to operate in my state. Nobody should give Igbo people a bad name. Igbos are very entrepreneurial. Igbos are very innovative. There cannot be Nigeria without Igbos. There cannot be Nigeria without Igbos. I have traveled everywhere in the north. There's nowhere I went to the north where you cannot find Igbo people. And so nobody should take Igbo people for granted. But that does not mean we must allow criminals to give us bad name. You must not allow it. Nobody in this state, including myself, can say we have no relationship with Igbos. It's a lie. It's a lie. Anybody who tells you that, say, foul. But how can we sit down and allow somebody who most of you even don't know, you've not seen. You've not even seen the person. The character was towel he put here. If he wear one black something, he say, Okoloka. What did he say? What did he say? We have very intelligent people in Igbo land who can sit down and say this is how the Igbo race will go. And they do radio. Which radio? For who? Me. No. I don't agree. Rivers State is a place that accommodates everybody. And we have been very peaceful. I will continue to accommodate everybody. We will continue to do that. When my brothers came to me, I said, look, I will never in my life, I wouldn't even hear it. Me, to go and kill Igbos. How? Kill Igbos, kill Nigeria. Kill Igbos, kill Nigeria. How will you kill them? How will you kill them? But as a governor of a state that has been very peaceful, somebody has gone to kill 6 soldiers, burnt them, killed 4 policemen. One of the policemen that was killed was an Igbo man. They just cut his neck. When I went to see them, I saw his child, 6 months old. Now, somebody will tell that child, hey, your father died. What offense did the man commit? That he came to South Nigeria as a policeman. Because somebody, a criminal said, when he said a policeman, kill him. See a soldier, kill him. Did they write who is Igbo in the face? Did they write it or is it in their faces? The man have died. Look at that small child, 6 months. People begin to give Igbo people bad name. One man that do Yahoo, contribute money, and they pay. Igbo, look, time has come. You must resist certain things. You must. Soldiers, you will know. Those who came to read my election are which people? Huh? Now, I mean, they give them command, right? Chai, on ourselves. There are stories you hear, you don't even listen to it at all. He says it's a lie. Me, I was sent soldiers to go and kill Igbo. And you believe it? You believe it? People who came to rig my election are not the one controlling them to go and kill those. When did I get the power? People know that one governor that's never liked by the government of today. Is it not true? Now, let me give them command to go and kill people. But let me tell you, he who kills will also die. He who kills will also die. If you go and kill soldiers, this is my friend, I told his brother was from Jews too. Let him tell you, don't go and kill a soldier. Not only kill him, you go and burn a soldier. They don't need me. They don't even tell me. They will go to retaliate. And that is why we must be very careful in what we are doing. And in that retaliation, even though some people will go and die. Innocent people, for nothing. I will go and kill Igbo people in Oyibo. But I will not kill Igbo people in PortHarcourt. Does it make sense? Does it make sense? The chairman of my party from Oyibo, the chairman of my party is from Oyibo. So if there's any one local government I must protect, it must be Oyibo local government. So why will I go my own party chairman's local government? I'll go and destroy it to kill Igbo. How? How? I call you people here, and I call all the ethnic groups here. I call all of you. I call the Hausas. I call the Igbos. I call the Yorubas. I told the Hausa community, people were here, they accused me of bringing down a mosque. A mosque that never existed. Never. They said, I brought down a mosque. A Rivers person even came out to say yes, that he was worshiping in that mosque. I mean, I can't understand. Something that was not even there. The man said, yes, he used to go there to worship. Until the chairman of Governor Forum, Dr. Fayemi came. He said, Che, why? Why all this problem? Southeast people have very competent, able intellectuals that can be anything in this country. Anything. But Igbo, I can never, Rivers State will never fight Igbo. It's not possible. It's not possible. Don't allow our sons and daughters to come and tell lies to you. That brings me to the issue of Ikoku now. There are traders telling lies. Ikoku, I thought that it was owned or it is owned by my people, the Rebisi people. I didn't know that they don't own the place. I called Austin. We have to remove and build a deal. He told me that, yes, he will find out from the owners. Unknown to me, they are not the owners. Owned by Ahuda family. Owned. Now, what's the problem? Somebody has gone and bought the place and wrote to me that, look, they want to go and take over there. I said, why? That place is owned by my people. He said, no, they bought it from Ahuda people. What's my business? Now, instead of them to tell you the truth, the now say, Governor, is pursuing Igbo people from Ikoku. What is my business? Am I the one who bought it? I mean, you just carry rumor. Instead of you to go and negotiate with the man who bought the place. Say, look, can you allow us to stay? You say it is me. I'm the one pursuing Igbo people. How can anybody say that? What's my business? But in any case, too, if you go there, armed robbers, criminals, guns, you find there. So I have no business. But we must try to stop this propaganda. To sell falsehood to you that people are against Igbo. It's not correct. Yeah, some say anybody who gets me, he will pay $100 million. Chai. I told him, I'm traveling very soon. I will announce the day I will travel. I will announce. Let them come. We will see who will run. Igbo, be assured. This place is your place. This place is your place. Be assured. The support you gave to me, I cannot abandon you. Since 2015, I have continuously appointed you into the cabinet. I've continuously appointed you to the cabinet. So if I hate you, why would I put the Executive Council where the decision is being taken? If we are plotting against Igbos in the Executive Council, that or no, won't you come and send it out to Igbo? Igbo should just relax. But obey the rules. Obey the... Tell your people, Rivers people will continue to live together with Igbos. We continue to live together with Igbos. So, don't nobody come and tell you any story. I thank all of you. I thank all of you for coming. Stay calm. We'll work together.